Today, I'll show you how to promote affiliate links on Google Ads. Before you start, it's important to understand that you should not simply place a raw affiliate link directly inside your ad. Google Ads requires landing pages to be safe, accessible, easy to navigate, and useful for visitors. Google also says ad destinations need to provide unique value and can be disapproved for insufficient original content. The safer approach is to create your own landing page first. This can be a product review, comparison article, buying guide, tutorial, or recommendation page. Your landing page should help the visitor make a decision before they click your affiliate link. For example, instead of only saying, buy this product, include real benefits, pros and cons, pricing details, who it is best for, frequently asked questions, and a clear affiliate disclosure. Once your landing page is ready, open Google Ads. Click Create, then choose Campaign. Select your campaign goal, such as sales, leads, or website traffic. Now choose your campaign type, usually search for beginners. Enter your landing page URL, not the raw affiliate link. Next, choose your target location, language, budget, and bidding strategy. Then create your ad group. Add keywords related to the product or problem people are searching for. For example, use keywords like best budgeting app, email marketing software review, or product name alternatives. Now write your ad. Make sure your headlines and descriptions match your landing page and do not make misleading claims. After that, review everything and publish the campaign. Once the campaign is running, track clicks, conversions, and affiliate sales. And that's it. You now know how to promote affiliate links on Google Ads using a compliant landing page. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.